Hello there, I'm Sonya Mazzaferro, Senior Director of Channel and Alliances at Veeam Canada. And today I am joined by Bernadette Richards from IMP Solutions. IMP has been a partner of Veeam's since 2011 and has recently become a platinum partner just a couple of years ago. IMP is our largest partner in Atlantic Canada, with headquartered in Halifax, with an office in Toronto as well. So thank you for joining me today, Bernadette. I would love for you to share a little bit about yourself as well as some insight on IMP Solutions.
Thank you, Sonya. I'm thrilled to be here. I'm the Vice President of Infrastructure for IMP Solutions, so I look after a lot of the technical side of the sales equation. IMP Solutions covers many different areas, from cyber remediation, managed services, cloud solutions, consulting, and the traditional technology solutions and services. And Veeam touches all of these areas of our business.
Fantastic. Well, IMP has been a great partner for Veeam in Canada, as you know, Bernadette. And so it's very fitting for us to be sitting together today as we celebrate the partnership between IMP and Veeam and the joint success that we've had over the years.
Collaboration between IMP, Veeam, and customers exemplifies the importance of our partnership. Customers face significant challenges in transitioning and adapting their backup solutions to ensure data integrity and protection against emerging threats in an ever-changing technology landscape. And as a team, we help the customer to overcome these challenges and to achieve their goals and outcomes. One specific example where IMP Solutions worked with the Veeam team of Meredith Kolpaka, Alex Crandall, and Justin Ricardo to switch a large Atlantic Canada public sector customer from Dell's PPDM networker solution to Veeam. And what we were trying to do was support the customer in switching from vSphere to Hyper-V. And we did a POC to test, because Veeam is not only a backup software, but it can be used as a migration tool. Mm-hmm. So you can back up a VMware VM and recover it as a Hyper-V VM. And this was the value they saw, and then to continue using it as their backup solution and data protection solution. So we tested, we tweaked, and we developed the process. It's well underway, and it's a big success. Working with the Veeam team overall, IMP Solutions and Veeam align very tightly on our go-to-market solutions, but we also align culturally. We've had a very positive experience working with Veeam. We've introduced Veeam to many of our customers, and Veeam is consistently responsive, they're very supportive, and they're aligned with our goals. And together, that exemplifies the perfect team and trust relationship. So one of the big things that gave them pause is that as part of their Dell solution, they used the Dell Cyber Vault, and they would need to replace that. So we brought in the Veeam team. Industry expert Rick Vanover was on our call, and we were going through the features of what Veeam can do, not just as a backup solution, but to get them that same resilience that they're seeing in the Vault today. So there's a few features: security and compliance analyzer, 4 Eyes, AI-powered inline entropy analysis, IOC tool scanner, threat hunter for signature-based malware scanning, and then finally using Sure Backup so that they can, test the restores of their VMs, run their tools against it, make sure that they have actual clean backup and they can feel comfortable if any situation occurred, that they can deal with it. And they felt very comfortable at the end of it all that Veeam could replace not only the backup solution, but their cyber vault as well. More likely, customers will experience a cyber incident than traditional data loss that a backup solution addresses. And Veeam is more than backup. It is a full resilience platform. This is the message we take to customers, that this is what Veeam can do for them. Veeam Solutions and dependable architectures have fast-tracked deal closures for us, showcase tangible results, and position us well with our customers. And as a Veeam VAS partner, we can also bring additional services to our customers to help them get through implementing the full features of the Veeam solution. From a partner point of view, the big things are to build sales, pre-sales, and post-sales skills, to leverage the training that Veeam offers, the workshops that Veeam offers, and to leverage the technology leaders, like I mentioned, Rick Vanover, more than willing to jump in on your customer conversations, involve Veeam early and keep them in the cycle, and there's tremendous value to doing that.
Fantastic. Well, Bernadette, thank you for joining me today and sharing the success story. It really exemplifies the power of a partnership and, essentially the partnership that we've had over the years, and has only strengthened over the past couple of years, really, since you've become a platinum partner. And we're thrilled to have you as our largest partner in Atlantic Canada. And essentially, it's great to see that partnerships such as ours can really bring real, measurable impact to our mutual customers. So thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.